Hey, good morning. Dean of Students Hernandez here. And so I was walking into my kitchen and I saw outside my side door here the sunrise coming. So it motivated me to do another video about trying something different. And one of the things that I wanted to do is take in this beautiful sunrise. Right? It's gorgeous. I'm gonna go for a walk with the dog again. And if you remember from the video yesterday, Ginger, wanna go for a walk? I don't know where she is. Oh yeah, you can hear her scratching on my daughter's bedroom door. You ready? If you remember yesterday, Dog Walking 101, grab the poop bag. I'm gonna grab two because I dropped the one yesterday. Oops, hung up. Okay. Ginger, come here. She's a pretty good dog. Just really excited. Come here. Get you lassoed up here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Kind of hard to do with two hands. Apparently. All right. Beautiful morning. Another dog walker over there. So again, practice social distancing. We're going the other way. But look at that sunrise behind me in the neighborhood. Just makes me really appreciate some of the smaller things in life that we take for granted. There's the sun rising over that house there. What a beautiful morning. So just try something different and get up early, go for a walk with the dog, right? Quintessential dog and fire hydrant. Smelling those boys. So my dog's a girl. Come on, Ginger. So we're gonna pull her away. But during this time off, do something different. Get up early in the morning, take a walk, enjoy a beautiful sunrise and a nice crisp morning. Don't have to do it every day. Just do it once. Try it. All right? It's a silver lining. We have the opportunity to do something like this now. It's a gorgeous day. All right. Be safe, stay healthy, and we'll get through this. Have a good day.